Hi, my name is Carla and I'm going to show you our new screen covers and how to apply them to your origin. Before you start, you want to make sure that your screen is free from any dust. We don't want anything getting trapped between your screen and your screen cover. So this one's ready, and inside you'll find two screen covers. So in case anything happens to one, you have a backup readily available. The great thing about this though is that it's a low-tack adhesive, so it is repositionable. If you mess up, you can just lift it up, try it again. So I'm going to remove the clear back cover. That's the side that has the adhesive. And then through the blue liner, I'm going to adjust the screen cover and make sure it lines up with everything. Place that down, and then lift this up. Now that it's placed down, I want to make sure it's free from any bubbles. So I'm going to take a squeegee, but you can use something like a credit card or any other flat object that can move those bubbles out. Now that the bubbles are all removed, I'm ready to use my origin, and there's going to be no glare. I can see just fine.